Hey there, home cooks! Ready to make some fun and delicious homemade gummy bears? Let's dive right in. First up, the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice. Think orange, apple, or berry. 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Adjust this to your taste. 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. And a couple of optional extras, food coloring or a dash of vitamin C powder. Got everything? Great. Now let's get to it. Start by heating your fruit juice in a saucepan over low heat. Remember, we don't want it to boil, just nice and warm. Next, stir in your honey or sugar until it's fully dissolved. This is what's going to give your gummies that sweet, irresistible flavor. Now the special ingredient, gelatin. Gradually whisk in 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin until it's completely dissolved. No lumps allowed? Once everything's mixed and smooth, it's time to get creative. Pour the mixture into your gummy bear molds. For precision, you can use a dropper or a small measuring cup to carefully fill each mold. This helps avoid spills and ensures each gummy bear is perfectly shaped. If you want to add some color, now's your chance. A few drops of food coloring will do the trick. And if you're feeling extra health conscious, sprinkle in a bit of vitamin C powder. Now, pop those molds into the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Patience is key here. But trust me, it's worth the wait. Once they're set, you can pop your gummy bears out of the molds and voila, homemade gummy goodness. Enjoy these tasty treats as a fun snack or a sweet gift. And there you have it, folks. Easy homemade gummy bears that are sure to delight everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.